down from the lofty heights of Himalayas to spread the very essence of our Bharatiya culture, Sanatan Dharma, and that is the knowledge of Vedanta, which is applicable to every aspect of our life. And therefore, all his life and the mission that he established continues to spread this knowledge, its value systems that makes an individual grow to be a happy citizen of this world, and at the same time dedicate their duties to the world at large. Puja Gurudev insisted that gain this knowledge, the practical knowledge which is given in Bhagavad Gita, and serve as the Bhagavad Gita teaches. It is only through such mutual sharing our life is prosperous, happy, peaceful, and the world at large is a peaceful place. And therefore, in the 75th year, we have these programs by which the knowledge of the Bhagavad Gita reaches every home, every Bharatiya.
Second question is how Gita chanting is re-emerging as a practice for focus and inner discipline in a distracted and hyper-digital age.
Bhagavad Gita has the solution to all our life's issues, problems, as well as what we want to achieve in our life. It is not just chanting the Bhagavad Gita, but when we chant the Bhagavad Gita, we will want to know its deeper meaning. And once we recognize that each words of the Bhagavad Gita, its relevance in our life, we will begin to recognize that it is with this knowledge we can find a sense of purpose, we can set the highest goals by which not only we benefit but the world benefits at large. It's the most practical knowledge, and claim your heritage by chanting the Bhagavad Gita, by studying the Bhagavad Gita, by living the Bhagavad Gita, which is the complete quintessence of the knowledge of the Veda. It's the very quintessence of our Bharatiya culture, Samskriti.
Thank you. Last question is, what will be your message to the youth?
My message to the youth is, let no one ever tell you you are useless. We have only used ourselves less. It is for you to create a better world. And Bhagavad Gita and Hanuman Chalisa, these two that we are propagating for the whole of Bharat, the world, is inspiration for all the youth. Get to know this knowledge, live a life so productive of achievement that not only you have a happy life, but you are able to contribute to the national progress, to the world's progress. And as Bhagavad Gita says, you have to take responsibility. Lift yourself by yourself. And do not underestimate yourself. You are your best friend. You are your deadliest enemy. Master your mind is your best friend. Become a slave to your mind, and your mind will make you dance in different moods. Infinite potential is there in each one of us. Claim your heritage by knowing yourself. And Bhagavad Gita helps you to know yourself, recognize your potential, and like Hanumanji, live it and see how beautiful life is. I wish you all the best, and Chinmaya Mission is there say that from now on, if every youth, every family in our country remembers just 5 verses of the Bhagavad Gita, which QR code will be given to you, just 5 verses of the Bhagavad Gita, which we call as Gita Panchamrit, you will see not only your life transformed, but the world transformed in front of you.
Same response in Hindi you can give. Same response in Hindi you can give to the youth of the country.
युवकों में ही सबसे अधिक आदर्श होता है, युवकों में ही वो जोश होता है कि वो अपने आप को बदल सके और साथ ही साथ जिस दुनिया में उनको रहना है उसको भी वो अपने अनुसार बनाए, सिर्फ आंदोलन के साथ नहीं, पर अपने आप को जब हम बदलते हैं, अपने आप को जब हम ऐसा बनाते हैं, ऐसे बुलंद बनाते हैं कि हम अपने जीवन को सुखमय और लोगों को वह सुख बांटना, ये अगर हमारे जीवन में हमारा लक्ष्य हो जाए तो हम जीवन में कुछ भी पा सकते हैं। भगवद गीता में भगवान कृष्ण ने हम सबको जो प्रेरणा दी है, जो उत्साह दिया है, जो ज्ञान दिया है, जिससे हम अपने जीवन में अपने लक्ष्य को पा सकते हैं हनुमान जी की तरह, और साथ ही साथ अपने जीवन से पूरे दुनिया को लाभ दे सकते हैं। हमें लगता है कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पर इस भगवद गीता के ज्ञान से जब हमें पता चले कि हमारे पास वह पोटेंशियल है और हर एक में वो है, हर एक में वो शक्ति है जिससे वो महान बन सके, बस हमें अपने जीवन में अपना लक्ष्य ऊंचा रखना है, हमारे आदर्श बड़े होने चाहिए और हमें वह शक्ति होनी चाहिए कि हम अपनी इंद्रियों को, अपने मन को संयम में रखें। और इसीलिए इस महोत्सव पर हमारी यही प्रार्थना है सबसे कि हर युवक